Hi everyone, welcome back once again to the channel. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so as to get an update when I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something slightly different from what people are used to seeing. It's more of an unboxing. So I'm going to be unboxing a handheld gimbal called Zhiyun Smooth 4. From now on, I'm going to be using this gimbal to shoot most of my videos. Like I said before, I want to be giving you people quality, not quantity. So some of you will have been saying, oh, I've not been uploading for some time. Yes, it's a strategy which I'm actually working on, and you guys should expect more videos from this channel. So without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. So here we got our Zhiyun Smooth 4. You can see how the box is like. See what we have here. And this is it, Zhiyun Smooth 4, a handheld gimbal. And also let's dive into this and see what we have inside this box. So first things first, we take off the nylon and we try to take this off, and let's remove this. Put this aside. See what we have here. This is let's see what we have in here. It says quick start guide, Zhiyun Smooth 4. This is a service card, which I think if you have problems with it, you take it to them and they'll rectify it for you. And I think you can only use it in Hong Kong, Germany, US, others and authorized agents, repair houses. This is a notice on Android compatibility. So let's put this aside. Have this. So now let's dive into the real Zhiyun itself. I like the quality of the box. It looks so nice and more like a gun gadget. Okay, let's get into it. Wow, this is lovely. So now let's see what we have here. This is I think a selfie stick or tripod stand, and this is a USB Type-C cable. I think you use this in charging. Then let's see what we have here. Zhiyun. Wow, this is nice, very nice. Okay, I think this is the power button. You put it on. This is something here. We have the pound follow mode and the lock mode. This is the record button, the snap button, taking of pictures, and I think this is focus. It has something here like an adjustable knob here on our left. I think you use this to zoom pictures, zoom in, zoom out, and it's mostly used if you want to do the vertigo feature. This is the menu and all that. Let's put in the tripod and see how it look like. Let's bring this aside. Now let's try to put this standing. Wow, this is lovely. The tripod standing on its own. Now let me try and fix a phone on it and see how it is for us to balance it. Let's fix it in. Okay. Here we have it. Okay, you have to balance it. There is a knob here at the back here. Let's loosen it a bit to adjust it. You pull it in, out, and in, and you tighten it back. Okay, I think it's staying very well. So now let's power it on. Wow, our handheld gimbal is live and active now. So, and I'm sure you guys are happy to see what you are seeing here. I'm going to be doing another video on the features what we have inside, how to use this smart handheld gimbal. So I'm sure you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of this, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so as to get an update when I upload a new video. So guys, see you in my next video.